Hi, I'm Derek from MEF English, and today I'm talking about the MEF English Junior Daily Extension Program. So, studies show that daily learning compounds speed and fluency when learning a new language. So, the MEF English Junior Daily Extension Program brings English learning for children to a new level in a fun and easy way. So there's enough content for students to study more and to meet their language goals, but students can consistently study where it fits into their schedule for as little as 10 minutes a day. Students can take this program by itself, or students that are already taking the weekly English lessons can add this program on to bring them to the next level. Our program comes into three parts. So the first part is online learning. Second part is kind of textbook type lessons where they're able to have different activities and have mini lessons. And the third part is one-on-one lessons with our native English MEF instructor. Online learning includes fun daily online games and activities that practice vocabulary, pronunciation, and conversation that follows the MEF curriculum. So here are some examples. To start, let's start with level one. Level one is a basic beginner level, and we start with vocabulary. So vocabulary, they're listening, they're repeating, they're hearing new vocabulary. From there, they go on to listening. Listening reinforces what they learned, their vocabulary. A lot of the time, they're trying to choose what they hear, so they listen, and they have to choose the correct image or correct vocabulary. Plus, we have different games. So one example is the pattern recognition game, where students have to watch and look and listen and follow the same pattern as they go through. For level two, vocabulary and listening, students have more vocabulary, making it more challenging for them. And that we also add in conversation. So students are able to do the conversation exercises at their own speed and practice. For level three, students have more conversation and new topics which build on what they've learned in level two. Here are some conversation examples where students are able to practice their English ability and also gain confidence in using and speaking English. All levels have a number of games. So some of the favorites include the bubble game, where students have to quickly choose the bubble, pop the bubble before it floats to the top of the page. We've got games like the memory game, where students have to choose both sides and make sure they match and remember where the card was, right? We have games like the balloon game, where students have to pop the balloons in sets and make sure they're matching. We also have games like the shadow game, where students have to listen and click and drag so that they can complete the scene. Plus a number of other games that allow students to practice and learn. So MEF has 4 books for each level. So 3 levels, 4 books for each of the levels. Here's an example of a level 1 activity. Here's an example of a level 2 activity. Here's an example of a level 3 activity. So what we've tried to do is, instead of using the textbooks and having that extra expense for the parents, we've put these into activity pages where the students are able to download the page, able to print it out if they'd like, or even use it on screen. This makes it easier as we have a downloadable option for them. Then students are able to watch a video. They're able to listen to the teacher explain how to do it, give them prompts, and do it together in the mini lesson. We also offer one-on-one private lessons 3 times a month with a native English teacher, where students have 10 minutes of private time to practice their pronunciation, vocabulary, conversation, or help students with their specific needs. Join one of our 3 levels today. Start making English fun. Register now